Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore S3 bucket permissions for a no-code file upload app. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Once logged in, navigate to the S3 service. In the S3 dashboard, find and select the bucket related to your no-code file upload app. Click on the Permissions tab located in the upper part of the screen. Review the block public access settings to ensure they allow the necessary access your app requires. If needed, adjust these settings based on your application's requirements. Next, scroll down to the Bucket Policy section. Here, you can add a bucket policy that grants the appropriate permissions. To create a policy, click on Edit. You may want to use a policy template, which can simplify the process. Choose the policy generator available at the AWS documentation site. In the policy generator, select S3 bucket policy. Specify the actions your app needs, such as S3 a put object and S3 a get object. Next, identify the resources that the policy will apply to. You can often use the wildcard character * symbol to grant access to all objects within the bucket. After composing your policy, copy it to your clipboard. Return to the Bucket Policy section in your S3 console and paste the policy in the editor. Click on Save Changes to apply the updated bucket policy. Now, head to the Access Control List or ACL settings for further adjustments. Ensure that the necessary AWS accounts or public permissions are set as needed for your app. Once all permissions are correctly configured, test the no-code file upload app. Monitor for any errors during the upload process to verify that permissions are correctly applied. If you encounter issues, revisit both the bucket policy and ACL settings to troubleshoot. Once everything is functioning, document your configurations for future reference. This ensures that you can easily restore or replicate permissions as needed in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.